In this video, I will be showing you how to use Veed.io tutorial for beginners. So all you have to do is to go to any web browser and then type veed.io, and this is what it looks like. Now, Veed.io or .io is a reputable online video editing tool that has grown in favor among e-commerces or e-commerce sites, small companies, and content producers. Also, Veed.io or Veed.io is a popular option for both novice and experts in video editing due to its intuitive interface and wide range of capabilities. So, an online video editor with a variety of capabilities is offered by Veed.io. Users can add watermarks, transitions, and automatic subtitles to their video footage. It is a complete video editing tool because it also has functions like screen recording, webcam recording, GIF creation, and live streaming. Okay, so you can see it when you go to the upper section. You can see the products, the tools, video editor, subtitles, and transcription, toolkit, AI tools, more. So these are the features that you can use when you sign up or use this V.io. So for use cases, then you can see the subtitles, translations, marketing and social media, training, e-learning, and so on. Okay, so if you want to know more about information or the information of each, then you just have to simply click and it will take you directly to the specific information that you want to know. Of course, for resources, you can see here some information or more information about Feed.io for businesses, and then you can choose read for business and the other one for pricing, and then you can see here basic, pro, and business. So obviously, if you purchase this, then this one is the basic. Then features you will have. So these are the features that you can unlock once you upgrade to Gold Basic. And then if you want to upgrade to Pro, then you have to pay for the specific amount right here. Now, the features that you can get are this below. So, remove watermark, 120 minutes of subtitles, and more. But of course, if you want to use all features in v.io, so I strongly suggest that you upgrade to business. So, this is the amount that you need to pay monthly or yearly if you want. But of course, the features are worth it. Okay, so if you want to upgrade, just click this Go Business button and then proceed with the information, also the payment method. Okay, so once you know what plan you want to use, then you just have to select from any of this. So for our tutorial, let's just sign up first. You can sign up using your Google account, Apple, or Microsoft, or you can type your email address here. But the easiest way for me is to connect my v.io to my Google account. Okay, so once your Google account is connected, and then you can now proceed. So what's your name? You have to enter your name here. What will you use Read for? So you can choose from any of the option. What is the purpose of your videos? So you can also choose, for example, training and education. What brings you here today? I'm just exploring, or the other one. So everything is up to you. You just have to follow, or you just have to answer this. And then after that, then you can just proceed to next. How did you hear about Vid? So let's just say Google search, and then team name. Then you can add someone here if you want. Then it will take you directly to this, but let's just continue with our free plan. Okay, so again, these are the features or the paid plan. Of course, your features will be also upgraded. Okay, so everything is up to you. But for the purpose of this video, let's just use the basic version. And this is the interface of bid.io. So we have your home, templates, blanket, team, trash, and okay, so these are the sample templates. You can create your first video by tapping this create project right here. But if you want to use from any of their templates, then you can tap templates and you can see different templates here. Now, templates for e-learning, templates as a presenter, templates for your social media. Okay, so you can see tons of templates here, and all you have to do is to click. So for AI avatars, they have also templates for AI avatars, especially if you want to promote your product or if you want to promote your business or something that you want to promote here, then you can use this AI avatar template. You can also use any template here in internal communication if you want. Okay, so all you have to do is to click the specific template that you want to use. You can also look for the size that you need. For example, you're looking for a portrait size of that specific template or square size. Everything is up to you. So you just have to filter your size here, filter by size. Let's just say landscape, and then choose the specific template. Okay, so if you go to brand kit and then you can edit or you can add something here like image assets and so on. Team trash, if you have deleted something, you can go to team trash, team space. You can see all the spaces right here. If you want to upgrade or if you want to invite, just go to the upper right section. So aside from Create Project, these are the features that you can use here in Vid.io. So let's start with editing a video. So you just have to click Create a project right here. On the left panel, you can see the features such as search, settings, media, audio, subtitles, text, elements, records. And you can see here you just have to upload a file if you want to edit or edit something. You can use any AI avatar here. You can also use a free videos for from stock videos to be exact. Sound effects, these are all for free. Okay, so this is a video that I want to edit. I have imported it from my computer device. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to detach an audio, like for example, there is an audio here and you want to detach this because there is something that is not sync or there's something that you don't want to uh, you want to arrange, you want to edit the audio. So all you have to do is to detach the audio. You can delete the audio or you can simply drag it to the port to sync it with the audio. For example, if this person is talking, okay, and then there's a delay in audio, so you can detach the audio here. You can also use the magic tools, but I think this one is if you have updated your plan. So below you can see here other options like opacity, rotation, detach audio, replace video if you want. For audio, you can use the stock music right here, or you can upload your own, or you can try this text to speech. And all you have to do is to enter words here, language, choose the language, and the voice. You can choose from any of the voice here by tapping this arrow facing down. If this person or the character is male or female, then you can go to voice and then select a specific voice that you want. Or you can even add your own voice if you want to. You can select a style and then the speed. Then after that, generate. And that's it. Okay. So you will have your result and make sure that it matches with the way this person talk or the mouth or the way this person speak. Okay. So that's the good thing about this Vid.io. Okay. So that's it. So apart from that, you can also, increase the volume. Okay, convert to audio clip if you want. You can add subtitles, manual transcribe, or upload a subtitle file here. You can translate, you can add text. You can choose the font style here. Okay, you can also add this thanks for watching and so on. So all you have to do is to tap this one and drag this to the page or to this section below here. You can add elements if you want. It could be icon, shapes, or brand logos or whatsoever. So all you have to do is to tap these elements right here. For example, if you want to add a brand logo or a rubber thirds, everything is up to you. So all you have to do is to tap that. And also, if you want to record this, then you can tap this record right here, and then you can record the camera, audio, screen and camera, slide and camera and slide. So I can't see this feature in some platforms. So that's the good thing about or the advantage of Feed.io and transitions if you want. Okay. So lastly, we have filters. And that's it. Now, once you want to export this, and all you have to do is to click this done or share. And then after that, you can simply share this to someone. You just have to add their email address or copy the link and share it to them. And export the video if you want. So that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.